Make money online in South Africa in 2019. We all want to be able to make a little more money each month. Even a couple $100 can make a big difference when it comes to your monthly budget. After all, $200 might be 1 week's worth of groceries, 1 month of utilities, or the chance to eat out 2 or 3 times 1 month. It can also help you pay a bit of your tuition fees depending on where you study. That extra money can also be used to pay down your debt or save up for a dream vacation. One of the easiest ways to make extra money each month is to join paid survey sites. You can actually make money doing paid surveys. This is something you can even do while you're watching TV. Hello everyone, today I will show you the only website for surveys that can make you earn a consistent $100 per day in South Africa. To tell you up front, it is not Swagbucks or Vindale. In general, Survey's website pays at most $50 one day, and that was not sustainable for me. I was looking for a side hustle while I was studying and found out that surveys could be done easily and at home. I have come across many websites. Some were scammy, some were very long and low value. After tons of research, I found a survey website that actually pays really good and has a good platform. I have been using it for 2 months and made around $3,800. I dedicated some Sundays to do it and made $100 or more one day. I cashed out into PayPal money. I have put the link in the description. Click on it and go on the website. First, you will need to create an account and input your information. Make sure you put the right address so they can send you what you redeemed later on, and a valid email address since you will need to confirm it. As you finish signing up, go to your emails and search for the confirmation email. If you don't find it, search in your spam, promotion, or social tabs in your email. After confirming it, simply complete your profile for easier surveys target to you. After you finish, you are good to go. There are many surveys you can take and they are very rewarding. Make sure to do the surveys quickly as they can become repetitive sometimes. The faster you click, the quicker you earn. Hope you enjoyed the video and have a great day. If you have any questions, feel free to put it in the comments. Make sure to subscribe my video also.